Hey guys, welcome. Thanks for joining in. So today we have another Logitech product. It's a membrane keyboard G213. So Logitech says it's specially tuned to deliver a superior response and performances similar to a mechanical keyboard. Okay, let's speed up so we can get to the keyboard itself. Okay, so the keyboard itself is plug and play, only you need to have Windows 7 or later OS. So, as far as the specification goes, you can see the G logo on the cable. So the cable is 6 feet long or 2 meters, somewhere around that, yeah. So it's wrapped, which of course makes it a lot more durable. Also the keyboard is spell resistance for approximately 60 milliliters. Now you can see the RGB lighting. Also, you can customize your RGB lighting with G-Hub Logitech. If you don't know what's that, so that's a software from Logitech, lets you customize your keyboard for your own personalization. Also, you can set your RGB lighting as you wish and assign multiple functionalities to certain keys. Also, Lightsync from Logitech is available, so you can synchronize your mouse, your keyboard, your headset to a certain color. Also on the right top side you can see dedicated media controls that can be used to play, pause, mute music and videos and adjust volume with one click of a button. Okay, let's go to the clicking test. So yeah guys, I would say the keyboard is worth it. I mean, I needed a membrane keyboard because of the sound and this one is really low sounded and it feels like a mechanical keyboard, so I mean the choice is yours. The price is a bit costly but still I think it's worth it. Especially some people would appreciate the palm rest. Sadly isn't detachable, but you have two legs so you can adjust your height, that's at least something. So yeah, that's it. Catch you guys in the next video and see ya, thanks, bye.